GameSir, the anti-stick drift experts. They made a cool new controller called the G7 Pro. It works for Xbox. It's supposedly the first controller licensed by Xbox that has TMR sticks. So it's got tri-mode connection, drift-proof TMR stick, trigger and grip vibration, Hall/clicky triggers, trigger stops, and works with the GameSir Nexus app. So GameSir, they make controller, pretty cool controller, but it only works on Xbox wired, I think. So heads up on that. So, you know, the great thing about TMR sticks, like it says in the box, is that they're not prone to drifting. If you're a big stick drift hater, then TMR sticks are your best friend. They'll never get stick drift. You never have to worry about replacing a TMR stick. That's pretty much it. GameSir G7 Pro. Let's go ahead and get it open, and we'll talk a little bit more in depth about it. Wow. So we get a charging dock. That's nice. And we get the controller. Just take it all out. There's a little dongle there. Got some extra D-pad. Got a super long braided white cable. I don't even know how long this is. This is the longest cord I've ever reviewed. It's really long. It's actually kind of soft for a braided cable, which is kind of nice. But yeah, this is extremely long. You get my point? It's extremely long. Okay, here's the controller. Boom. It's beautiful. I love TMR sticks. They're so nice. We just don't feel anything. It's just like nothing. We got mouse clicks there. The official Xbox logo. That's cool. These are even mouse clicks right here. And this. Heck yeah. We have some translucent triggers here. It looks like there's also trigger stops. So one goes all the way down. One stops right here in case you want to shoot fast. You can do that. Just lock it like that and it becomes a mouse click. All right, you also have two back buttons back here. And you can also lock them so they can't be pushed. That's cool. I guess if you're not like a paddle gamer, you don't like accidentally pushing it. These are not mouse clicks, just normal buttons. And then down here we have a connection button. We got a mic button. And we have an audio jack for your mic. And then I forgot something back here. This is where the charging dock connects. Charging dock. I think that's an RGB strip right there. So that's kind of cool. Little gold pins. Type-C on the back. And rubber right here. There's also like a little... I guess you can plug in your dongle right there for your controller. In case you want to store it away right there. That's kind of cool. Look at that. That's nice. GameSir sticker, sick. And we have a couple of extra D-pad thingies. We got a couple of them. I think it kind of just like the regular old one. I don't know how this comes out, but... Alright, well, I'm scared to break the controller, so I'm just going to leave this one on, but maybe there's like a special tool to take these off secretly that I don't know about. If there is, let me know down in the comment section. So we're going to go ahead and plug in the charging station, I think, and see what that looks like. That could be fun. Here we go. Let's see if it does something cool. Wait, it did it. It's doing it. Now it's charging. Reminds me of the Xbox 360 controllers. Okay. Well, we saw it light up. Controller light up a little bit. This thing turns on. Now we're just going to talk a little bit more about specs on this thing. It's got tri-mode connectivity, so you can do PC, you can do Android or Xbox. It's got the GameSir MagRes TMR sticks, so they're ultra long lasting and they provide smooth control. It comes with Hall effect analog triggers. It's got built-in gyro with the mapping function just on PC. It's got 1000 Hz polling rate on wired and wireless on PC. It's got 4 extra buttons. The ABXY is optical micro switches and the D-pad is mechanical micro switches. It apparently has a magnetic swappable faceplate. Yo, that actually looks sick with the faceplate off. Check that out. Oh yeah, you're probably right. I bet I could just pull it right out now. All right, now I can replace the D-pad. Cool. Oh yeah. That's pretty easy. We've learned a little bit more about the controller. I want to take it to the desk, test it out, turn it on, see all the lighting and stuff, and then we're going to test it out in a game. So I'll see you guys at the setup. Hey, you guys remember that old Xbox 360 intro? It's zombie time. Oh man. Chill, bro.
Crossfire rounds to keep the revolution alive.
Why am I playing as Castro?
Bullets!
Let's go.
Bullet for some bullets!
So it works on Xbox. You guys get the deal. So we're gonna go ahead and take this to the PC and show you guys the rest and play a full game. Let's do it. Okay, so we have the controller here on the hand cam. I downloaded the app. It's called the GameSir's Nexus app. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it for the first time. There it is. We have force left trigger vibration. We got a bunch of vibration settings here. We have our dead zone settings here. Hair trigger mode. These are our dead zones for our triggers. We have dead zones for the sticks here. Anti-dead zone settings. We have the report rate. We're gonna go ahead and turn that up to 1,000. We have motion controls. This is for your gyro. We have auto on and off, docking LED brightness. We have some buttons here. For example, you can map the back buttons. Like these are R4 and L4 on the back. So for L4, maybe I can map L4 to A and I can map R4 to like B. That way we have something mapped for the back buttons. And you can do your different profiles here as well. So a pretty cool little app. It was on the Microsoft Store. It was free. Typically I don't download software, but when it's on the Microsoft Store, I don't mind. I just don't like downloading it from some random website, but GameSir's seems pretty well supported overall. So I could see why they got licensed. Doing good things, GameSir's. So you can do your firmware upgrade here. You can reset the controller, do a button test. Little button testing software. So that's pretty much it. We're just gonna hop into a game now. We're just gonna play some Marvel Rivals. I was gonna play Zombies, but having a difficult time setting up capture card on Xbox. But at least you guys saw that it works on the Xbox. That's the point. That's something that I'm very surprised about. Like I said, with these controllers, you don't always get that. So let's go ahead and open up Marvel Rivals. Look, it says supports your Xbox controller. This game should work great with your controller. Nice. I don't ever play Marvel Rivals on controller anymore, TBH. So if I'm a little rusty, my bad. At least we got 1,000 hertz polling rate. That's all you can really ask for in a controller, you know? We're going Scarlet Witch again. She's the easiest person, in my opinion, to play on controller. Oh, the vibrations are really nice. Oh.
You mean back when you used
They're like,
children as weapons in your crusade against mankind?
there's a bunch of extra vibration going on in this game that I didn't know about. I'm scared. Rocket, no. Rocket, why are you... Rocket, stop. Come on, baby. Let's go. That's huge. Get cooked, fam. Uh-oh. What? That was random. Oh, I'm dead here.
You're welcome. Those guys are about to shoot at us.
Got him. Ooh.
Now, a disappearing.
Someone scratch my back.
Chaos control.
I unleash the Vishanti's power.
Ah, that's better.
It seems we have.
Well, who's next?
We are just literally farming them. Oh my god, no.
Fantastic!
Embrace the chaos. Double KO. Your tail ends here.
Oh, I'm dead here.
This is real firepower!
I'm dying.
Now, a disappearing.
Ah!
You need to stop that vehicle in its tracks. Chaos always prevails. Machines should do nicely. Double kill!
By the eye of Agamotto!
No, no, he's won. Oh my God, do something, Magneto. No! No!
Hey, Kitty! Enjoy the
Got him.
Just what we need! I unleash the Vishanti power!
Double kill! That's 3! I'll admit, I enjoyed that.
Angel's back, I see.
Chaos control! Still, I'm trying to help. Now, a disappearing. That's better.
This is pure mayhem.
Your powers are mine!
Oh boy. This Angel will not give up. Sniped. Oh,
You got them all!
this controller is amazing.
Don't mind me! I'm just dying! Armed and dangerous! And unseen, I see. Those mages you want
30 seconds!
don't give up now! I unleash the Vishanti!
I think I canceled her all with my red bubble.
I'll patch you up!
Uh-oh.
We'll have to keep fighting until we have a winner. Now, a disappearing.
Oh, there's too many. There's too many. No! Come on, boys. Come on, boys. Come on, boys. They pulled it off. Let's go! Let's go! I had 53 kills! Yo! That was insane! Yes! 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 Yo! Look at that! Oh, that's actually like one of my best games of my entire life. I swear, every time I play on controller, I get some of the best games ever. Holy crap. So that was GameSir's G7 Pro. If you'd like to check it out, smash like on this video, subscribe. You don't have to do that to check it out, but I'll leave a link for it in the description if you guys want to get one for yourself. They're pretty budget. I think it's like, I want to say like 70 bucks or something like that. Don't quote me on that, but definitely check them out. I don't know, it felt pretty good. 1000 hertz polling rate, definitely felt it. cool to play in Marvel Rivals. It was just nice. I like the back pedals. They felt pretty cool. They felt pretty natural on the back of my controller. They don't stick out too much, which I think is really nice. They just kind of tuck in. I like that you can lock them. I like that you can lock the triggers. I like that it's translucent at the top. There's a bunch of stuff that I like about this controller. And you guys know I started out a controller. So big shout out to GameSir. I think you guys did an amazing job on this one, especially that it works with consoles. That's huge. That's one of the major problems with controllers like this, is that they don't always get the support they deserve, but I think you guys did a bang up job. So I hope to see you guys in the next tech review. Thanks GameSir for sending me this. I thought it was an awesome controller. Hope you guys do too. That's pretty much it. See you guys in the next tech review. Peace.